Hi everyone, my name is Shelby, and this week with BEMP, we'll be learning about mammals. The easiest way to identify a mammal is if it has fur. So animals like a cat or a dog, those are mammals. Or humans, we're also mammals, we have all this hair, right? Even animals that don't look like they have a lot of hair on them, like hippos, those are mammals too. They just have really small, fine hairs on them. Here in Albuquerque, it might be a little difficult to see mammals that aren't dogs or cats, but they're still there, we might just not see them. Like humans, mammals leave traces of where they were behind. These can be tracks, or they can be chew marks, or it could be poop, also called scat, or they might knock over trash, something like that. But there's definitely signs that you could see them around. For the first part of this activity, we're going to look at the first section of our handout. And we're going to look at 3 different bosque mammals, and that's a porcupine, a bobcat, and a coyote. What we're going to do first is we're going to look at the animals and draw a line to what they eat. And then we're going to look at the animals again and draw a line to what their scat looks like. Remember, scat's a great way to see what kind of animals are in the area without actually seeing them. So which one of these animals do you think you might see in your neighborhood? Next, we're going to look at the teeth of mammals. This is a rabbit skull. Rabbits have 3 types of teeth. In the front, those really big ones there are called incisors. Behind those are premolars, and in the very back are molars. What do you think each type of tooth does? Fun fact, although the incisors look a lot like the teeth on rodents, they actually are not rodents. They are called lagomorphs. And these lagomorphs have a second pair of teeth behind their incisors, and that's how you can tell the difference between them. So compare the teeth of this lagomorph to the teeth of a cat or a dog or a coyote. Look at this coyote skull here. What do you see that's similar between the rabbit and the coyote? And what do you see that's different? Besides scat, many mammals leave behind tracks. And these tracks might look different between the front or the back foot, just like humans. And that's because they might do different things. For example, raccoons have little hand-shaped front feet, and that's so they can grab things. But their back feet definitely don't look the same, and that's because their back feet are used for walking, supporting them, climbing, different things like that. So for this activity, you're gonna go for a walk around your neighborhood and try to find any tracks. And when you find any tracks, draw them. And then you're gonna try to draw what the front or the back foot looks like on that animal. Does it look the same? Is it a front or a back foot? Which one? What animal do you think it came from? Now that you know what signs of mammals there might be around your home, keep a lookout when you're outside. You might be surprised on what you find. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you soon.